Hi everyone, and welcome to the last lesson of the example project, which is our output mapping, which is really simple. Basically, to sum it up, all we're doing is passing all of our control sections of our structure. So, for example, our QTV 001, which is our first quarter turn valve, we're looking in the data at control open output, which is our request to the output hardware to switch on its output essentially, and then we map that through to our actual hardware. So in this case, we're using Modbus as a network output. So if I go and have a look at where this is used by going to Browse, go to Definition, it takes me to my actual I/O layer here. So this is the I/O mapping. So yeah, at the moment our simulation status is true. So we're actually processing this section here, and all this is doing is ensuring that if I'm in simulation mode, I can't physically pass any outputs. We put here their safe state. In this case, everything goes to false. If I go to my simulation page and I switch off my simulation and then come back to my output mapping, we'll see that now I'm running down here. I'm actually passing my real requested outputs out to my Modbus layer, or if we had physical I/O, it would be going out to the physical I/O layer. And that's really all it is. It's just a mapping layer that is much more simple than the input mapping layer. There's still a simulation element to it, but the simulation element is just to make sure things are safe if we're running in simulation mode, because there may be times where you have a sort of pre-commissioning run through and assets and stuff are actually connected to your PLC, where you don't actually want to pass any outputs to start a pump. That panel might be powered, the pump might be powered. We don't actually want to start anything because we're still running in simulation. This just ensures that that can't happen, and make sure that you don't run things alongside simulation. And that's it really, because now we've come through the inputs all the way through to the outputs. There aren't any more sort of elements to this system in terms of structures.